Today is National Endangered Species Day, and what better way to help out than with some actual endangered animals?
This is absolutely amazing. Josh Davis, the penguin supervisor from Mystic Aquarium, and Debbie O'Brien, a volunteer, brought some special guests to raise awareness about animal conservation efforts.
Everybody in the whole studio is like on cute over
I know,
there.
everyone's...
This is, how are
I'm
you?
not even supposed to be here.
No, we want you to be here.
You.
So, Josh, thank you so much for being here. Who do you have with, who do we have?
So we have two very special African penguins. I'm holding Red Green. He's a 37-year-old male African penguin.
37 years old.
Yes, he's the oldest penguin in our colony.
Oh my gosh.
And Debbie is holding a 22-year-old female named Green Blue.
Okay,
I'm sorry,
red,
how
green,
old? 23?
22 and
22.
37.
Red, green, and
Green Blue.
Green, blue.
And why is it that you don't give them specific names? You don't want them to, why is that?
So there's various reasons. First and foremost, when they first hatch, we don't know if they're male or female yet, so it can be hard to pick a name.
Got it.
Interesting.
And these color names actually become unique to each penguin. The name Red Green actually means 03, and so that tells us that he is the third penguin ever to join our colony at Mystic Aquarium.
Wow,
my
and so you
God.
have the colors on, do they have bracelets?
They do. They each wear a little bracelet on their right wing.
Oh my gosh, love that.
Are they engaged with human? I mean, you know, they've been there a pretty good amount of time.
Yeah, so Red Green's one of our original penguins from 1989 who started our colony.
Oh my God, that is remarkable.
1989, what a good year.
So used to being in captivity, and this is a good thing. They're endangered. Tell us about the endangered population.
Yeah, unfortunately, African penguin populations have declined by over 97% in the last 100 years.
Stop it, that's terrible. What are some of the causes?
Human-related factors.
Human-related factors.
So
Does that
overfishing.
include like pollution too?
Pollution, oil spills. And so at Mystic Aquarium, we train our penguins to participate in educational programming, but we also just take advantage of the fact that they're under our care to learn more about them. So we can study their growth, we can study their nutrition. We're currently working with our research department to develop non-invasive techniques for monitoring the health of penguins in South Africa, which can help us come up with solutions to help them. And we take the skills and knowledge that we learn to South Africa. So I've been lucky enough to go to a rehab facility there called
South
Sandcob
Africa.
in South Africa.
It's called what again?
Sandcob.
Sandcob.
That's amazing. So you're taking the research you're doing right here in Connecticut at Mystic Aquarium and then taking it to South Africa where these animals are native.
Absolutely.
And Deb, I know you don't have a mic on, so speaking with me. You're a volunteer?
I am.
How do you do that?
It's an amazing opportunity. I do one day a week.
1 day a week.
And I've been there for 9 years.
And are we looking for more volunteers? Or
We are always looking for volunteers at Mystic Aquarium. We couldn't do the work that we do if it weren't for our amazing
I didn't even
volunteers.
know anything about the volunteer
I
program
love
at
it.
Mystic.
Yeah.
Volunteers are obviously the heart and soul of so many different organizations, but you have an event obviously coming up. It's a week-long event, right?
Yep,
It starts
Science
today?
Week is next week, so each day is a different theme. So you can find details on our website, mysticaquarium.org, but one day is Bee and Pollinator Day, so you can come in
wonderful.
and learn all about the importance of bees and how to make pollinator gardens at home.
How are they doing? Are they doing any better?
Pollinators are facing a big
another
challenges
big challenge as well.
So, yep.
And without the pollinators,
we are out of luck.
Earth is in trouble.
Yes,
Yeah.
exactly.
Exactly.
Yep.
There you go.
And Thursday is Turtle Day, so kids and families can come in and learn all about turtles from our experts and how they can help conserve turtles.
You know where they get their fuel, right, the turtles? At a Shell station.
Okay.
You knew exactly where that was coming.
Thank you. I got a laugh out of
Well, because
someone.
he's new here. He
is
hasn't
new
heard
here.
it before.
The
We always
penguins that
know.
think you're hilarious.
Well, we can't
Yeah.
thank you enough, guys. Can you give us a little good news about the plight of the penguin?
So the good news is, again, that research is really going to be groundbreaking stuff that's going to allow us to monitor the population. And that Sandcob facility that we work with, the population would be about 19% fewer if it weren't for the work that they do. So
Great job.
19%.
Yeah.
So you've really helped
Thank you,
to
Deb.
increase
Thank you so
the
much for
penguin
coming in. We so
population.
appreciate it.
Congratulations.
Thank you
Great
for holding
work.
green,
This is
pink,
green blue, yeah.
green blue.
Green,
Okay.
blue, and
Red green.
Red green.
All right. How do you